Before you pull the trigger on buying LucidLink, there are a few key things you need to know. LucidLink is quickly becoming a go-to choice for cloud storage and collaboration, but is it right for you? Stick around as we break down 7 critical things you need to know before purchasing, and why it might just be a game changer in your digital workflow. By the end, you'll know exactly how it stacks up against competitors like Dropbox, Google Drive, and others. First off, let's talk about pricing. LucidLink doesn't have a one-size-fits-all plan. Unlike many competitors, it offers a flexible pricing model based on storage usage, which means you're not paying for more space than you need. This is especially useful for teams and businesses that only need access to specific data and don't want to be locked into a hefty subscription fee. It's a model that really stands out in an industry where pricing can often be opaque and inflexible. Next, LucidLink focuses heavily on speed and performance. Unlike cloud storage options that rely heavily on syncing entire files or folders, LucidLink only streams the specific files you need. This streaming feature makes accessing large media files, like videos or high-res images, significantly faster than traditional cloud systems. I've personally tested this, and you can feel the difference. If you're used to waiting for files to download or sync fully, LucidLink will be a breath of fresh air. The third thing to consider is LucidLink's collaboration capabilities. It allows multiple users to access, share, and edit files in real time. This feature is similar to Google Drive, but with much more powerful performance when dealing with large files. For professionals working with video, animation, or large datasets, LucidLink really shines in terms of providing real-time access without the lag. Now, let's talk about security. LucidLink uses end-to-end encryption, meaning your data is safe from anyone but you and your team. Many other cloud services have security features, but LucidLink's security is on another level. They ensure that your data is encrypted both during transit and at rest. For businesses that deal with sensitive information, this level of security can't be overlooked. Next thing to keep in mind is LucidLink's integration capabilities. While it doesn't have the vast array of third-party app integrations that something like Google Drive or Dropbox boasts, it does integrate with the most important tools in the industry, like Microsoft Office and Adobe Creative Cloud. For teams already working within these ecosystems, LucidLink makes for a seamless transition without needing to completely rework existing workflows. The sixth thing to know is the offline access feature. Unlike other cloud storage solutions that rely entirely on an internet connection, LucidLink allows you to work offline by caching files. Once you're back online, it automatically syncs your changes. This is a huge benefit for those who work in areas with unreliable internet, as it ensures your work continues uninterrupted. Finally, let's talk about customer support. LucidLink support is top-notch, offering 24/7 help through chat, email, or phone. While many competitors leave you stuck in endless support loops or only offer limited hours, LucidLink ensures you have a reliable line of communication at all times. In my experience, the response times are fast, and the team is knowledgeable, which is essential when you're working on critical projects. So, after all this, if you're wondering whether LucidLink is worth your investment, it really depends on your needs. If you need high-speed access to large files, secure cloud storage, and seamless collaboration, LucidLink stands head and shoulders above other cloud services in certain key areas. If you want to try LucidLink for yourself and get the best offer available, click the first link in the description below. You'll get a completely free trial along with exclusive benefits. Don't miss out on the chance to see if LucidLink is the right fit for your team or business.